So right now in Vernon, in the North Okanagan, restoration companies are dealing with homeowners along lakefront properties, rising water coming into homes affecting flooring, drywall, insulation, stuff like that. One of the big problems with the type of water is that the water is contaminated, so even just basic water coming up from streams and overland can carry really harmful contaminants and stuff into the homes. So advice for homeowners and people in general would just be make sure that when they're going in and out of these waters, they're protecting themselves. They're wearing like the proper shoes, making sure not to be splashing or getting stuff on their hands and putting it to their mouth or their eyes. They want to make sure that just to consider the water to be harmful at this time, because when you don't know, you're better off to just play it safe. There's a lot of people right now looking at if their insurance company will cover it, if there's going to be a disaster relief from the province. All that's still up in the air. The number one thing people need to keep in mind is that they need to protect their property and take the initial steps to make sure that it's clean, it's safe, and we do provide that service to people.
With the recent flooding in the North Okanagan, there's been a lot of questions and concerns about is insurance available, can you purchase insurance? Flood insurance is available, but every insurance policy has different wordings and exclusions on what's actually covered with your flood insurance. So I think it's really important to have a conversation with your insurance advisor and your insurance broker and really read the details in the policy wording to let you know what actually is covered, because with flooding, depending on the cause of the flooding, there may be coverage or there may not. And flood insurance is fairly new to the insurance industry with residential insurance. So make sure that if you do want it, that you do ask for that flood insurance. People need to know that if flood insurance is available and you don't purchase it, you would no longer be eligible for government assistance. Government assistance is only available for people who insurance isn't available for or in the marketplace for.
So the process of returning to normal right now, I think, is still something that's up in the air. It's a really busy time right now in the Okanagan, just with building and contractors and all that kind of stuff. So the main focus right now is just making sure when that water's left the home is to clean it up, remove all those building materials that could be potentially harmful if left wet, getting all of them out cleaned, dry, and then they can kind of focus on a rebuild strategy following that.